Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Our department Humanity and Science. Course Basic Mathematics. Course code 22103. Myself Smita Shekhar Kamble. Um, Today's lecture. In this picture, what you say? Two childs are there. One child eat sandwich. Second child also eat the sandwich. But what is the question? Wait a minute. Why did pizza PJ get 4 sandwiches and I only got 2? His mama doing 4 pieces of the PJ, that is the name of that the child, and her sister asked the question. I only got 2. So from this picture you got that the if more pieces are there and here is only 2 pieces, that's why she asked the question. So for this purpose, what is the idea behind that? We have to must check. If pizza is given, so whole pizza suppose have 4 pieces. We cover the first part, that is denoted by 1 upon 4. We cover the 2 parts, that is 2 upon 4. If it is have the 3 parts, it is 3 upon 4. And we cover the 4 parts, that is 4 upon 4. If any pizza we put the pieces in a 5 parts and we have to take the first part, that is 1 upon 5. If we have to take the 2 parts, that is 2 upon 5. So we have to divide the number of parts and we have to select suppose one part, that is 1 upon 4. If we select the 2 parts, that is 2 upon 4. Total 4 parts are there, we select 3 parts, that means 3 upon 4, and 4 parts out of 4 parts we have to select, that is 4 upon 4. If 4 get cancelled, we get the one whole pizza part. Okay. If 5 parts are there and we choose one part, that means 1 is there. If 5 parts are there, we choose the 2 parts, that is 2 upon 5. So in mathematical definition, we have to must include about this topic. So our basic chapter, unit 1, chapter number 4, partial fraction, we need the fraction concept clear. So fraction story is behind and we have to see that this is in a picture. Always here is the cake partition division. Next it is the obviously the cake piece included, one piece included. Here we see the delivery of the pizza. Main thing is pizza, serve, and we have to divide any apple in equal parts. So fraction story is totally depend on our real life work. That is we need the exact pieces of the cake. We need the exact pieces of the pizza. We need exact pieces of the apple. So 7, 9 part, whole part, 3, 4 part. This include in this picture. Equivalent fraction is also important. Any number, suppose 2 parts are there and we cover 2 upon 2. 4 parts is there, 4 upon 4. If 8 parts are there and we highlight the 4 parts, that means 8 and 4 is in a numerator. If we divide in a 2 parts and we choose the 1 part, so that's why 1 upon 2. So 2 upon 2 gives the answer 1, 4 upon 4 also gives the answer 1, 4 upon 8 gives answer 1 upon 2, and because in shaded region, this side and this side we cover the whole half part, that's why 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 8 is same. Next, this part have the 4 parts, so we have to choose the 3 parts, so 3 upon 4. If we divide the in 8 parts and we select 6, 6 upon 8. If we simplify 6 upon 8, that is the answer we derive. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. That means 3 upon 4. If the two parts we have to consider, I highlight here, and it is divided into total 3 parts, that is 2 upon 3. If it divide into 9 parts and we choose the 6 parts, that is 6 upon 9 gives the value 2 upon 3. If we divide any portion in a 12 parts and we choose 4 parts, that is 4 upon 12. If we choose the 6 parts are there and we choose only 2 parts, that means 2 upon 6 is exactly 1 upon 3. 4 upon 12, it is obviously 1 upon 3. So 5 parts are there, we choose 1, that is 1 upon 5. If 10 parts are there and we choose 2 parts, that is 2 upon 10, it is exactly 1 upon 5. That why equivalent fraction means equivalent fraction have the same value even though they have different numbers. So fill the equivalent fraction below. So it is better understand fraction numbers are the 2 upon 2 gives values 1, 4 upon 4 also gives value 1, 4 upon 8 and 4 upon 8 gives value 1 upon 2, 6 upon 8 gives value 3 upon 4, 6 upon 9 get values 2 upon 3, 4 upon 12 and 2 upon 6 both are given the value 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 10, 10 divided by 2 we simplify, we get 1 upon 5. So these are called the equivalent fraction. That is the mixed fraction. To simplify, we have to have the trick 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5 upon 2. So we derive the final answer is a 5 upon 2. That's why this is called a mixed fraction because it is converted into multiplication symbol, and 5 upon 2 is obviously improper fraction because it is not divisible. It is we have to get the value 2, 2s are 4, so 2 points anything. 2.5 it is exactly. If two fractions are given, 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 given, if base are same, that is denominator and numerator, if denominator are same and plus symbol is there, so we have to take 5 as a denominator and 1 plus 2 in addition. So that's why 1 plus 2 upon 5, final answer is 3 upon 5. That means we have to just add the numerator. So clear about the fraction numbers addition. If the denominator is same, then numerator should add. What is the improper fraction? That means an improper fraction has a top number larger than the bottom number. It is top heavy. Means what? The denominator number is less and upper the numerator number is high. That is called improper fraction. I explain again. What is mean by improper fraction? Means an improper fraction has a top number larger than the bottom, that is denominator. It says top heavy means numerator have the bigger number or greater number from the denominator number. So 11 is bigger than 7, 8 is bigger than 5 and 3 is greater than 2. So such are the example of improper fraction. In this diagram, we see the half part. It is the quarter part. And what is the addition? So first half part means we have to write as a 1 upon 2. Plus half part is there 1 upon 4. So here 2 and 4, the base are different, that is denominator are different. So we know that LCM is 2 into 2 and here is 2 into 2. So 2 plus 1 because the denominator we consider as a 4. So that's why 2 plus 1 answer is 3 upon 4. I explain again. If we have to take easily, that is the here 2 is there and here is 4. 4 is LCM. That's why we have to multiply 2 in a denominator. We have to multiply 2 in numerator. So here we get the 2 and in denominator we get the 4. That means here 2 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 gives value 2 plus 1, that is 3 upon 4. In this diagram, what we should see? Here, how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this example, how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have to add these two diagram. Means, here one part we have to choose out of 5 parts. That's why 1 upon 5. Plus is there. We choose 2 parts out of 5. So, 2 upon 5. Denominator is same. Numerator will be added. So, it is 3 upon 5. So, it is 2 plus 1. So, we cover the 3 parts and remaining parts are 5. Partial fraction is obviously, it is not a linear format. It is in a combination of 1x plus 1, 1x plus 2, 1x plus 3. So, partial fraction in a factor where x variable must clear. Introduction to partial fraction. The degree of polynomial in x is higher power of x. Means what? Here the equation is x cube plus 2x square minus 5x plus 2. The highest degree of x means here is 3, 2, here is 1 and here is 0. That is x variable is not present. X raised to 0 is always 1. So here his highest degree is 3. 2x raised to 5 minus 4. What is the degree of here highest degree? Here is no x variable. Here x degree is 5. That's why degree is 5. 3x raised to 8 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 6 is there. What is the highest degree here? Here 8, here 4, here 1. So what is the highest degree? 8. So degree is 8. Proper and improper fraction as given by, if x raised to 2, here 3x raised to 4 minus 2 is there. That means denominator x degree is higher. That is called a proper fraction. So here I give the example x square upon 3x raised to 4 minus 2. But in this example is improper. Means what? 5 raised to x cube plus 3x square minus x plus 2 upon x. This x degree is greater than the denominator x degree. That's why it is called improper fraction. And degree of the denominator is greater than the degree of numerator, then it is called a proper fraction. So what is, in this example, what is the degree of each variable? Here 2x square minus 4x plus 2 plus 1. Here also x minus 1, 3x plus 1, if we multiply, we get the x square there. So numerator and denominator have the x square degree, that is same. Here the proper fraction, that is degree of f of x, must be lower than the degree of g of x. That means numerator degree is the lower than the denominator degree. We have to must know. Recently we checked the degree of improper fraction. Means what? The numerator degree is higher than denominator degree and proper fraction is given by the numerator degree is less than denominator degree. For partial fraction, we must know about the products of the brackets. X plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. X plus y bracket square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. X minus y bracket square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. X plus y bracket cube is equal to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. X minus y bracket cube is equal to x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. If we shift this side and this portion this side, we get the factoring. So x square minus y square factors are x plus y into x minus y. X square plus 2xy plus y square factor x plus y square bracket square. X square minus 2xy plus y square factor x minus y bracket square. X cube plus y cube factor x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square, and x cube minus y cube factors are x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So today's lecture we discuss about proper and improper fraction and this product rule. Lecture is over.